wanted to make a video about how to operate the top of the 718 Spyder. It's a little bit complicated, so let's go ahead and do the process here. So the first thing we need to do is, for the American market, we have to use the key. You got the key in the ignition, turn it, and then that starts the process. We find the latch for unlocking the top. Pull that up. That button will unlock the back trunk. We can go ahead and pull this up. This feels a little bit wobbly, but it's pretty stable. And then we can lift the top out. Maybe like a 10 or 15 pound top. Bring this back down. Grab the latches. So they snap in place. Grab the other one. Snap it in place. Then we have to get back in the car. And we have to pull this down just a little tiny bit and press the lock button. And once we do that, we wait until the windows roll up. And that's the process to lock this. Now let's go ahead and unlock it. To unlock it, we tap the unlock button. That will open the trunk again. We release the latches. There's like a button inside this latch that we press to release it. Snap that one in place. Go to the other side. Snap this one in place. And these actually have arrows. So I'm just making sure that both arrows are pointing at each other. And we lift this up. Grab this top from the front, push it back. Pull this back down. And then we flip these little latches into place. So the one on this side. And the one on the driver's side. It's an involved process, but it also makes the car have a little bit more character versus the base model. And as you can see, when it's down, the car looks very aggressive and has a very exotic look.